Now we are going to start the concept of CB transistor amplifier analysis using H parameter equivalent circuit. So first of all you have to design the basic block diagram. RS and VS source voltage, then that is CB configuration, at the end of the block diagram we are using load resistor RL. Okay, at output stage the current is IL. This is actual input port. Input port voltage is V1. Input port current is I1. Output port current is I2. Output port voltage is V2. Okay. Now we are applying H parameters, that is a hybrid model. First basic shortcut to define V1 I1 V2 I2. Now we are in common base. The input terminal is emitter, output terminal is collector. So based on common base we can define that I1 is equal to IE, that is a circle. V1 is equal to VBE. Output current I2 is equal to IC. If you are represented as circle, that is the current. If you are represented as in between two terminals, that value is voltage V2, that is VBC value. Okay. Now in H parameters, the formula for H parameter, that is V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. And I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. In this function, this is the equation number 1 and 2. Okay, where H11 is equal to V1 by I1 when V2 is equal to 0. So that is voltage by current, first port by second port, that is represented as input impedance, that is represented by HI. Next H12, this is H12 is equal to V1 by V2 when I1 is equal to 0, that is voltage by voltage is current gain but reverse gain, that is HR. Next, third one is H21. H21 is equal to I2 by I1 when V2 is equal to 0, that is current by current is gain, that is actual one of the gain is reverse, this is actual forward gain. And H22 is equal to I2 by V2 when I1 is equal to 0, that is current by voltage is output admittance. So these are the factors to design the hybrid model. Okay. Now before design the hybrid equivalent circuit, when the left side value is voltage, that is belongs to port 1, you can apply the KVL at input port. Okay. Next, KVL means both are in series. Algebraic sum of all individual voltage in the closed loop is equal to 0. At the left side source is current, you can apply the KCL. So both are, these two are in parallel. Based on this method you can design the small signal hybrid model. So that value is Vs and that value is source RS value. This is actual one. Then V1. From this function V1 is equal to VBE. So V1 is equal to VBE. V1. Next I1. I1 is equal to IE. Next, where V1 is equal to, first this is actual voltage is H11 I1. H11, this current, that current is I1. So that is the function. Next, plus another voltage is H12 V2. This is V1 by V2. Both are opposite, both are the combination of two ports. That's why that is represented by dependent source. But H11 is both are belongs to port 1 only. That voltage is H12 V2. The left side value is voltage, means you can represent plus and minus. This part is completed. Next, at output port I2 is equal to IC. We have two elements are in parallel. This is also current source, this is also current source. That is the current source. Why? Because I2 by I1 is, I2 is the second port, I1 is the first port, that is the dependent source. Simply that value is H21 I1. I1 is equal to IC. And another condition is on parallel to this I2, that value is H22. What is the output value? V2 is equal to VBC. This is actual port 2 ending. At the end of the configuration, we are adding load resistor RL. In this RL, IL current is passing. Now we are in common base. All H parameters that can be represented as HI can be represented as HIB, HR can be represented as HRB, HFB and H0B. So H11 is replaced by HIB. Next, H12 is replaced by HRB V2. V2 value is VBC. This H21 values can be represented as HFB IC. H22 is equal to H0B. So these are the H parameters. So this is the actual final small signal model for common base configuration. We know basic two-port network H parameters can be represented as, that is the value is AI is equal to minus HF by 1 plus H0 into RL value. Now we are in common base, that is represented by HIB, and that value is H0B. And second one is input impedance RI is equal to HI plus HR AI into RL value. Now we are in common base, that is HIB, this one is HRB. And third one, voltage gain AV is equal to AI into load resistor RL by RI. Fourth one, output admittance Y0 is equal to H0 minus HR HF by RS plus HI. In common base, that is H0B minus HRB, HFB, RS plus HIB. And the fifth one, AVS is equal to AV into RI by RS plus RI. And the sixth one, so all are, in our earlier topic we discussed all the characteristics based on two-port network. Now simply you can substitute all the values. AIS is equal to AI into RS by RS plus RI. The seventh one is power gain AP is equal to AV into AI. So this is a simple shortcut to design a small signal hybrid model and derive the expressions based on this value. Okay. Thank you.